But as I'm sure you can imagine, that didn't end well. Got all tangled up. Get some morning joggers out. They were going so fast, they're just a blur in my background. Hope you enjoyed that artistic view. I always forget to put my watch on for when I'm working, doing a walk. Apple's griefing me because my walks are not as fast. But my priorities lately on my walks have been taking in the scenery or feeding in the birds. So it's totally worth it. So I'm thinking of going to Dean Village later, do a live. Also noticed yesterday when I was in Inverleith Park, only after the live, I didn't notice in real time, someone commented on the live. PB, personal best, first commenter on a live, which is exciting. I'm going to check the settings on the computer later today or over the weekend and see if I can still access that and reply to them. Not live. Pretty sure I can. Just got to tweak the settings to allow it, which I'm also sure has been set up. But I can't see it on the phone, so I'll just check the computer version. And as I say, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. I remembered to pause. Oh, my crow friend! Go, go, go! He's off. So he didn't leave any snacks, whatever. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I remembered to pause my watch this time. Winning. Oh, I can see some squirrels. We've got a magpie. Let's get some food down for them. Again, another beautiful artistic view. Another thing that I'm going to buy next month is a selfie stick. I'm going to get the gimbly dupe. I've already eyeballed it on Amazon for roughly 50 quid instead of 150. So like I say, it's the dupe. I'm okay with that. So is my bank balance. So I've set myself the financial target that I wouldn't buy anything for YouTube related until I'd done YouTube for at least a month. And that means that I could do that now because I've been doing YouTube for a month. But my bank balance says otherwise. So we'll wait until the end of this month, which a week or just over a week to go. Oh, we have a squirrel.